have in front of me here the Ferguson Ariva 252 combo receiver. Basically, it comes in this presentation box, which you can see here. And inside there, we have the following. We have the Ariva 252 box here, which we'll come back to in a few moments. We have the user manual, which is in English, which you can see here. We have a set of AAA batteries, and we have the remote control for the box. This is actually a nice remote, it's very slick, nicely designed, has a good range on it as well. Okay, so we'll come back to the main feature here, to the Ferguson box, the 252. So I'll just give an overview here of the front of the box. So basically we have a power button, we have selection buttons and an OK button, and then we have a menu button and an exit button. Okay, we can pull down this flap here. We have a Konex card reader here, and we also have a USB port. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm just going to rotate the box around. Just push the power unit out of the way for a moment. And we'll see here on the input side we have a terrestrial input and we also have a satellite input on it. An interesting point in terrestrial input here is on the 252 it's a T2 tuner, which means it's suitable for both Clearview but also high definition Freeview in the UK, particularly important if people are in the border or along the east coast. Okay, so we have the satellite tuner as well. We have loop outs on both, but they're basically features that are never used. We have a SCART output here as well, but normally people will obviously be using this with the HDMI, particularly with the new HD TV, to get the full HD effect in the channels. We have a digital optical output here. We have an RS-232 connection here. That would be used generally for software updates, things like that in the olden days. At this stage, it's a bit of a legacy feature. We have a LAN connection here as well. If you want to tap in, we'll say, to use the internet features here. We have a USB port here, which we could use for, we'll say, doing programming channel lists via USB key. We could be adding on a hard drive to be able to record, use a media feature, or indeed we could attach a Wi-Fi dongle at that point if we want to connect to a Wi-Fi network in that manner. And then basically we have audio left and right here, and we have a switch here to turn it on and off. So this is sort of more upmarket of the Ferguson combo boxes. The simpler one, the 150, just has a straightforward T-rated terrestrial tuner on it, and also the functionality in this in terms of the internet access, etc., and a lot of other things to go with it, makes the 252 quite a popular box. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Ferguson Ariva 252.